Applications of damped oscillations. Oscillations are a natural phenomenon, visible all around us. But have you ever noticed that these oscillations often decrease over time? So what is a damped oscillation? It's when the amplitude of an object's oscillation gradually decreases over time due to resistive forces. This phenomenon helps us control movement in many real-life applications. A classic example is the suspension system in vehicles. The oscillation of the wheels after hitting a bump is reduced, making the ride smoother and safer. A classic example is the suspension system in vehicles. The oscillation of the wheels after hitting a bump is reduced, making the ride smoother and safer. A child's swing also uses damped oscillations. After the initial push, the swing gradually loses energy and eventually stops. The pendulum clock is another unique example. To keep accurate time, energy needs to be added continuously to counter damped oscillation. Without this, the pendulum would come to a stop. In bridge construction, damped oscillations are used to reduce the vibrations caused by traffic, protecting the structure and ensuring safety. These examples show how damped oscillations improve our quality of life, increase safety, and enhance engineering efficiency. We hope this video helped you understand the valuable role of damped oscillations.